Nofri, welcome in a new lecture of the lectures of Coptic language. Today's lecture we are going to talk about if clause, the third case. In the third case, we talk about it's unreal things which didn't happen in the past. So we use a shop is J, A and N. We have an example here. Inari B, Nib E, Amy, Nafna Royce B. If the housemaster knew, he would have watched. So we use nare, which is imperfect, the imperfect past, preceded by a, then the tense, the verb Amy, and the second part we used nafna, which is the second conditional, which is made by the conjugation of the verb in imperfect past plus na of the future, which with the meaning of will. The translation in English of this structure would have plus past participle. So we can conclude that we can use the letter A, and afterwards we conjugate the verb in the imperfect past, and the second part of it we use the second conditional, which is made by the imperfect past plus na of the verb plus be. An example: Beji marsa on in Isos Jeba choice Inaki embaima nari pason na mo an be. Then Martha said to Jesus, Lord, if you had been here, my brother wouldn't have died. Here, as I have told, we used a plus the conjugation of verb of imperfect past plus the verb, and the second part we used the second conditional, which is made by the verb in imperfect past plus na plus the verb. And here's the translation of it. Pejit means said, Marsa, on, truly, into, Isos, Jesus, Jezen, but choice, my Lord, a if, nak, you were, ki, present, am, in, by this, ma, place, nari, would have, ba, my, son, brother, na, it means will, mo, died, and you didn't have died, and b is a completion of the second condition. So the conclusion, as in the previous example, we add a plus the conjugation of the verb in imperfect past plus the conjugation of the verb in the second conditional, which is the verb in imperfect plus na plus the conjugation of the verb in imperfect plus na plus verb plus be. Another example: Owi ne kurazin, owi ne bisaida, je eni anaigom shobi hen tiros, nem et sidon, etav shobi hen sino, ne, is snei be. Av ermetanoin, hen o sok, nem o kermi. It says, would to you Kurazin, would to you Bethsaida, for if the powerful acts which were done in you had been done in Tyre and Sidon, they would have repented long ago in sackcloth and ashes. So we used here any, followed by past simple, and the second part of it past simple. Any, followed by past simple, plus subject plus verb, and second part was past simple. So here's the translation. Owi, bu, ne, to you. Corazine, Corazine. Owi, u, ne, to. Bethsaida. J for any, if. A, indication of past. Naisos, gom powers. Show beware. Chin, in. Tyros, Tyre. Nim, and. It, the. Sidon, itav, they in past. Show beware. Chin, in. Sino, you. Ne, was. Is, in. Is night time. B, combination of past tense. Av, they were. Irmetanoin, repented. Gen, in. U, a. Sok, sack roses. Nim, and. U, a. Kirmi ashes. So we can conclude that we can use any plus the conjugation of verb in past tense plus the second part of it in past simple. You can find today's lecture on YouTube CC channel and on archive.org, and you can find the slides of PowerPoint and the fonts used in the same places. Oshie Behmont, thanks, chatting over routine Neo, until seeing you in the next lesson.